Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In this video, we'll take a look at not one, not two, but three Miroverse templates. Now, this is called Maze Marvels. This is a trilogy of maze templates, of puzzle templates that I have made and published to Miroverse. Alright, so the first one is fun and simple. So that is the easy level. That's this one over here. As you can see, there's three boxes of templates. There's three boxes of puzzles. And what you got to do is you got to pick up the pen tool from Miro. So that's on your left toolbar. And then go ahead and try to solve this puzzle. So you can either start at the top or the bottom. Start in one of these ones, and then you gotta end up on the other side. So you can do the same for all of these three, and then of course if you've done it, if you've finished it, or if you can't do it, then you can reveal the answer by just moving this box. So that is Maze Marvels fun and simple parts to solve. Then we go to the intermediate level, which is navigate the challenge. Over here we have slightly more difficult, so it's not as easy as the first one, but the idea still remains the same. You start on one of the ends and then you reach on the other side, and then use the pen tool to try and solve the maze. And the third one is Maze Marvels Dare to Navigate the Depths. So that's one over here. This is now quite difficult. This even, I don't think even I would solve this instantly. I would take a lot of time to solve this. So this is the hard level of Maze Marvels. Now, this is something that you can have, you might spend hours, but hey, click on this pen tool and then try to solve this maze. All the links to all these three different templates will be in the description down below. So do click on them. And then when you go onto the page, you click on the blue button to use the template or copy the template to your Miro account. All right, I hope you liked all of these three Maze Marvel templates. If you do, give it a like, and of course, click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on this YouTube channel. And comment down below if you like puzzles, if you have tried one of these puzzles, or if you've managed to solve the hardest Maze Marvel puzzle. Alright, I'm looking forward to your engagement, and thanks so much for watching this YouTube video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.